It's at the black Oshase because we pay homage. Wow, Shase State of the Nation, Mamma meeting. Oh, it is the Sandra. Or him, Ametua. Nyame Adom. Entertainment, I'm a Ghana for Tremor. Straight up. Thank you, Ghana. Thank you, Ghana. Ghana's entertainment prophet. Kwalama, many a frame. What I say? Yeah, of course, why Black Sherif. And now, I have Mijina can some say most of the new arts, you know, they don't know how to pay homage. Or money, the Kaya be cranes, so they be armed in the Bayan Faton, Yaman Fire Papa currency. Ya koni fear waterman. Or catch is a new artist will be a kwame born in Prumo that said, Daddy. My bonyum na drink won't say, Daddy, my drink a cra. You see, it's so beautiful to see, say, Black Sherif the need for, especially what the album mobile watching the Iron Boy. Ghana so the Iron Boy, no way, me I'm off an impong, a brantier, a Amakye Dede. It is work pay homage, I am running fair. Nana kwa account, yeah, more pia, Nana Mano Cocochia, yeah, mercy, say about gospel mu beef, hala, maybe see.
Your post school, your back. Or do I say, you know, say, the other cabbage, says, Nana, over 6 times. Yeah, I see. Yeah, come on, yeah, exactly. Then I'm going to say, hey, I see. Oh. Yeah. Before I said, let's jump in, for different colors. Now, the trap song will be able to see Amakye Dede trap star. So the money can yeah. Oh, maybe I will be free and I highlight now the meaning music free. So, and I mean, so, say the new people, maybe the highlight from yeah. So, let me say the Amakye Dede trap star. Okay. Oh. And then the next album, I have also my title, I Am Go. Okay. I Am Go.
Yes. And you know, panana.